Hey guys, welcome to Live Painting with RAEART. Today we're gonna slap it down. I'm gonna do a little bit of a real live motion video and then some time lapse and stuff, and we'll see what we can make out of this. So get ready, get your paints out, and join me. Alright, we're gonna add a little bit of paint on our palette and let's get started. Let's go with the yellow. Let's start with that. We're gonna squish it onto here. There we go, nice and yellow. And what's our secondary color? Let's go with some red. Oh, my red's almost gone. But I won a free sample that came in the mail yesterday. Woohoo! I win! Alright guys, we got our paint on now. We're going to go ahead and slap it down. I'm using a pretty fat brush, maybe 1.5 inch bristle. Dipping it in my yellow. There we go. Just putting some color down. Not really planning anything out. Dip some more in my yellow. Let's get yellow all over here. That's perfect. Now let's dip into the red. There we go. Let's get some drips happening. Dip in that water. There we go, we got some drip. One drip, that's it. We need more water. Fill up on that water, guys. Dip into some yellow and red. Get a nice orange. I love it. Let's get rid of this paint. Put some more yellow. There we go. I see something coming out of there. Does anyone else see it? Do you see that face in there? Alright, let's go ahead and add some purple. There we go. Let's see what we can do with this. Alright, let's go ahead with this purple. Just slapping it down. See what we can come up with. Now do you guys see the face I'm talking about? Let's get some drips with this purple, guys. What do you think? There we go. Well, we got lots of purple. I'm gonna mix it in with the red and the orange. We'll get some brownie color. Should be interesting. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and roll a time lapse, and we'll get back to the painting after this short brief second. Go! Not yet. Alright guys, we're gonna stop the time lapse there, and we're gonna go ahead and paint away. I'm using Mars Black with lots of water, and we're gonna go ahead and make this pop. Let's put a big eyeball, giant eyeball. Do another one down here. There we go. There's some more black in there. You see the face now I was talking about? Told you it was hidden in there. Just waiting to come out. Painting away. I should put some ears on this guy. There we go, just adding in the black. Hope you're having fun at home painting along with me. Having a great old time. I'm gonna add some white to this. Make those ears pop, get some grays happening. See what we can do with that. There's some grays in here. grays down here. Some whites happening. Some kind of distressed cat. Here it is, the finished piece. Or maybe not finished, who knows. I could always go back to it in a bit. But let's zoom in and see those brush strokes. Very nice piece in the ear. Very nicely done. Just a little something abstract, a little freaky face. Might go back to that. But for now, it's looking done. He's got the brown glove on. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this episode of Live Painting with RAEART. We got this crazy looking creature here, and I don't know if it's done yet, but it could be done. So we're gonna leave it at that. Don't forget to subscribe, share, favorite, smash that like button. Give me some thumbs up, give me some words of encouragement. Leave it in the comments, and I'll see you again next time. Happy Thanksgiving.